If you're looking for commercial space, don't miss this spot here in Valley County, Downtown Cascade, located right on Main Street. Has plenty of storage on the sides and in the back and office spaces, and we're going to check it out right now. Come on in, let's check it out. So here we have a 1,500 square foot home, a little over 1,500 square feet. And it used to be a house and it's been converted into commercial space. So it actually has 2 separate bedrooms here. This area that used to be the living room, but now could be an office or a gathering area for customers. And because it was a house, it does have a kitchen area and a laundry room. So if you wanted to have some sort of coffee shop, which is what used to be in here, that is an option. They're currently running like a massage studio out of this room. So there's so many businesses that could be run here. You could do additional massage rooms. You could do cosmetology, different, like a hair salon. You could do so many things here. So you come in here, this is the kitchen area. If you have an idea, they weren't sure, they didn't want to put in the countertops just in case somebody wants to do something different. So the owners will work with you on what you want to do. As you come in here, if you went this direction, there is an apartment that's currently rented upstairs. It's a studio style with a bathroom, and that's currently renting for $1,000 a month. So if you wanted a live-work situation, that would be possible. Or if you wanted to rent out the different buildings and continue renting that, that's another possibility. You have access to a washer and dryer. And as you come out the back here, the property line goes all the way to the wooden post and to the other side of this garage. So let's go check that out. For business, if you were to have people come in, there's plenty of parking back here. There's also parking along the roadside. So here it has a garage door, and then you can see that part of the wall here is sectioned off, and this is just more storage. So if you had boats or kayaks, any kind of like rental business, there's so much room to store stuff here. So I just wanted to mention that if this lot isn't enough space, the lot next door is also on the market, listed with Amherst Madison, and it's going to be listed at $215,000. So you can really do a lot with this space located right on Main Street. So if this is your first time to the channel, I'm Tia Golden, and I sell real estate here in Valley County. So if you have any questions about this property or others, definitely reach out and give me a call. I'm happy to answer questions anytime.